Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook midweek. And after seeing a day off yesterday, back on trade this morning, continued the uptrend. But as I speak to you, the markets have turned out to be absolutely flat. Let me give you some levels on the indices. Sensex is at 58,850, down about 10, 15 odd points. Nifty is at about 17,520, down about 7 odd points. Bank Nifty trading with a positive bias, up about 140 points, and the level is 38,380. On the rupee dollar equation, some strength, 79.53 is the level of rupee against the dollar. And more good news from the energy basket, crude and NYMEX both are below $100. NYMEX is at about $96 a barrel, and beg your pardon, Brent is at about $96 a barrel, and NYMEX is trading at about $90 a barrel. On the overall situation last week, despite seeing some profit booking, we ended up 2 days on the positive side, and then we've seen the recovery. Even we saw the closing on Monday with a positive bias. Uh, Today, as we return to the trade, some flattish move, little bit of profit booking, and my sense is that after seeing the kind of recovery, it's only prudent to expect a little bit of profit booking. And as I was expressing and in conversation with you last time, I think no one should complain if there is a little bit of profit booking, given the gains that we've had on the market front. Uh, on the earnings side, or the news from the local side, we are virtually seeing curtains down for the first quarter earning. And to sum it up, no bad news is good news. And barring some sectors, I think overall the performance has been in line. Possibility of this performance improving in quarters to come by, given the backdrop of events and of course the recovery path that we are all on. We did see the RBI move on the rate front, and that was also accepted by the markets with both the hands. More importantly, the commentary on the inflation front from the Honorable RBI Governor is to expect a little bit lower trajectory as we go forward from here on, and that should possibly add to the sentiments uh, on the markets as well. News from the global front, of course, other than the Russia-Ukraine, now we have got some amount of aggression from China on Taiwan. I think that will possibly keep the markets a little bit on the heat, not only the domestic market, but market globally as to what adverse situation turns out. Let's hope that wisdom prevails and there is no untowards incidents out of this uh, uh, developments that we've heard. On the markets, like I mentioned, I think consumption should come back given the good monsoon. FMCG sector looks quite good. Consumer discretionary also looks to be uh, quite healthy, and the commentary from the management post the first quarter numbers is that they should see good demand coming back into the market. And the move as far as the FIs are concerned, we've seen some days of buying. But I think despite the fact that FIs were out of our markets, we have gained the recovery. And if you recollect from, I think it was 17th of July that we were down and out. And from those levels till date, I think we've recovered quite smartly. So expect some days of profit booking, nothing really deep in terms of correction, keeping in mind that whatever events are there in front of us, at least there is nothing adverse over there. And like I mentioned last time, if you have trades from a short to medium term point of view, prudent to take money off the table. Long term, if you are invested in good, strong, sound sectors and fundamentally strong companies, I think you don't have anything to worry. And if you do get opportunities, I think I have repeated this earlier. It's time to allocate more capital to the equity market in terms of long term investments. With this, I'll take your leave. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I'll see you again next week. In terms of investment ideas, of course, I think from the banking universe, ICICI Bank looks quite strong on fallback of earnings. And if I have to pick one name from the cement pack, mid cap, of course, that will be Danvia Bharat Cement. Fundamentally, as a disclosure, we have coverage on both of them. Thank you very much once again, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.